Hello YouTube friends, welcome. I'm Elizabeth and today is the week 1 weigh-in. Yay! Today you find out how much I have lost since I changed my life a week ago. Yeah, for sure. So a couple things I did. I weighed every day. I took a full-length picture today of my bod, and I started testing my ketones and my blood sugar this week so that you could see how that coincided. So another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually record and log the food I eat with the macros and the calories. So you'll have what I eat, you'll have how many calories, you'll have the macronutrient information. You'll have my blood ketones and my blood sugar in the morning and what I weigh. And I think that will be very, very helpful for a lot of people. So let's get to it. Filming yourself is just awkward. Everyone says that it'll get better, but I don't know. So that was terrific, 5 pounds. But you know what? It was 5 pounds of bloat. I can tell because I lost an inch around my belly, and that's where I blowed up. And that's the beauty of the way that I'm eating. It's fantastic. Let's talk about other things. So the scale going down is great and getting smaller around is fabulous, but there are so many other things that have happened this week. My sleep has gotten better, I'm less achy, my joints don't hurt, and I just generally feel more alive. I feel better. I feel way better. It's like a fog is lifting. It's fantastic. Well, that's about it for this short video. I'll see you in the next one. Hey YouTube friends, Hey YouTube friends, in this week's video, hello YouTube friends,